Hi, this is Lynn Jacob of MLJ Coaching International, where I help businesses, and most especially the people in them, enjoy more profits, tons more fun, and retirement on your terms. What I want to talk to you today about is resistance, and there's just so much that could be said and that I would like to say that what I'm going to do is I'm going to direct you to a teleseminar, or a no-cost teleclass as I call it, that I did a few months ago. So I would like you to contact us at info@mljcoaching.com and ask for your video copy of the teleseminar, the no-cost teleclass that I did covering resistance. However, in order for you to have some sort of idea as to why you would want to contact us to get that, and to listen for some 50 minutes to me talking about resistance, and I'm going to give you a little synopsis here. So I've just been at More Life Tour Stop with my mentors, David Nagel and Suzanne Evans. And so the stuff that you learn in these tour stops, and I mean, they're calling it a tour. It's 7 different cities in the U.S. and one in Canada. That one's in Toronto, and that one's on Friday, September 17th, and you've got to be there. So do look at my newsletter and look at that one and register. It's $57 for you to attend. It runs from, I think, 9 a.m. until 6 p.m., something like that, and you get to bring a guest with you at no extra charge. So that's 2 people for $57. So you really have to be there. Okay, resistance. What am I talking about here? Okay, so Suzanne and David are doing all this teaching in these tour stops, in these different cities. Of course it's a marketing tool. Of course it is. People are coming to know who they are. They're getting a sense of their material and whether or not they like it. And there's a lot of trust that's being built in that time too. And so Suzanne and David are offering a program to the people who come if it speaks to them. There are also other people who are doing presentations at these tour stops. And just like I'm doing a presentation at the tour stop that follows the one in Toronto, which is in St. Louis, Missouri. For us Canadians, we don't necessarily know where St. Louis is, right? So, at any rate, I was just at one of these tour stops with David and Suzanne, and what happened is there were so many people in that room who were so interested in what it was that both of them were talking about, and then David and Suzanne offered a program at a ridiculously low investment, which was kind of like an introductory rate for their program. And so very few people, relative to the number who were really keenly interested, so very few people signed up for that program. Why? Because of resistance. Remember what I said I was going to talk about? Resistance. So there are lots of things that you come up against yourself. Lots of things that speak to you. And you go, oh, yeah, God, that sounds good. Oh, yeah, I get what they're talking about. Yeah, I've got that problem. Oh, yeah, I'd like that too. And then you're offered a program that you can take where you can get the professional support you need to get out of your own way so that you can consistently and persistently take the steps that you need to take. And you say no. Why not? Oh, well, I don't have the money, or I have to talk to my spouse first, or my business partner doesn't agree with it, or whatever. That's resistance. And do you know what you're resisting? You are resisting the very success that you say you want. How do I know? Because I've been doing it myself. Of course I've been doing it all along, but I didn't recognize it. So when I've been saying to you for all these 7.5 years I've been in business, when I've been saying to you that working with a professional coach will help you get there, wherever there is, faster and more easily, I'm not kidding. And in the last 1.5 years, I've been working with David. And I'm now working with Suzanne as well, both of them at the same time. And I have a professional coach as well. and I take other programs. Why? Because it's what I need to get to where I'm going, to where I want to be, not to where the winds may take me, but to where I want to be. So what's stopping you? What are you waiting for to get out of your own way? Let me tell you, it's resistance that's stopping you. It's all this inner dialogue that you have that tells you why you can't do it now, why it's not the right move, and all that stuff. The mere fact that you're listening to this video right now is proof that your intuition is telling you to step up and to step out of your own way, to step out of your comfort zone maybe, and to get the support that you need to enjoy more profit, to enjoy tons more fun, and to have the confidence and the security that retirement ready and waiting for you will give to you. So, the mere fact that you're listening to this video means that you are resisting. So as I said in the beginning, send us an email, contact us, give us a call, 613-353-9941, or send us an email at info@mljcoaching.com and ask for the copy of the no-cost teleclass talking about resistance. We will be delighted to send it to you. Also, go back to my newsletter and click on the link to reserve now for the David Nagel and Suzanne Evans More Life Tour that's taking place in Toronto, if that's the city that's closest to you, or whichever city is closest to you, and just be there. You will be blown away with the content that you get out of that day. Sure, that's only $57 for 2 people, but let me tell you, if anything in there really speaks to you, I want you to stop resisting and I want you to step into it immediately, because I want you too to enjoy more profit, tons more fun, and retirement on your terms. This is Lynn Jacob of MLJ Coaching International, where I help people just like you get out of their own way. Talk to you soon. Bye.